guys and welcome back to Vandita's kitchen. मेरा नाम है रेयान and today we are going to
Wait. Rehan, let's not do recipe. Let's rock and roll.
Yeah, you're right. Let us rock and roll.
What?
Let us rock and roll.
Rehan, let us rock and roll.
No. I'm going to challenge you that I can make lettuce rock and roll.
Okay.
So, first we take a lettuce. A bit of this.
What is this?
This is Chipotle sauce.
Chipotle sauce. Okay. Chipotle sauce is a Mexican sauce.
Yep.
So are you trying to make a burrito?
Yes.
Okay. लेकिन tortillas कहाँ हैं? रोटी कहाँ है?
I want to eat salad and I want to eat burrito.
Oh, okay.
So I am going to make a mixture of both of it.
Okay. So आपने सॉस डाला, कैबेज डाला, कैरेट डाला, थोड़ा सा पार्सली डाला, and now this is cheese.
Yep.
Okay, that looks interesting.
And this is ready.
So this is lettuce rock and roll.
Yep.
Whoa. All right. So can I try one? No, I want to roll.
Okay.
So lettuce rock and roll. All right, here we go. So, इस पे हम डालेंगे चिपोटले सॉस हमारे लेटस के ऊपर हल्का सा ब्रश करेंगे. All right, and then cheese. Just थोड़ा.
Yep.
Okay.
Small.
A small piece. Tear. Okay. And then goes little bit of थोड़ा cabbage, थोड़ा गाजर
Yeah.
और parsley. Parsley ना हो तो धनिया चलेगा? No? Okay. And roll. Okay. Not bad, Rehan. Perfect. And burrito. Let us rock and roll burrito ready. Wow. This is amazing. ये रेसिपी मुझे नहीं पता थी. So, thank you Rehan for giving such an easy recipe. और ये रेसिपी बच्चे भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. Of course, बच्चे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. So, let's make some more. So, आप पूरा बनाएंगे अब?
Okay. मैं बना तो लूँगा.
Okay.
लेकिन आप rock and roll कब करोगे?
Just finish that. फिर देखो. लेकिन रेयान ये लेटस रॉक एंड रोल है. So we have to do लेटस रॉक एंड रोल. Just one twist. So ये हमारा ये डिश में बहुत सारा ट्विस्ट है रेयान. So please let's do it for our viewers.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yay! So thank you Rehan for such a lovely recipe. Believe me ये बहुत टेस्टी लगता है क्योंकि इसमें लेटस और वेजिटेबल्स हैं. It's very healthy and perfect for everyone. So hope you like this recipe. Do try at home and we'll be back with some different recipe with some twist.